CSAP stands for Colorado Student Assessment Program.
APS students in grades 3 through 10 will take the CSAP test.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Aurora Public Schools Superintendent John Barry. I want you to know that I'm really proud of the great things that all of you have done this past year. Many of you took the CSAP last year, and I'm happy to say that I saw improvements in your scores on multiple levels. And I look forward to all of you improving even more this year. One of the things that I want to speak to you as young adults is the reality that how we do as a school on CSAP has definite effects on the community, on the job market, and attracting industry to Aurora Public Schools. You may not realize the importance of having good scores because they get published and it represents our school district. It represents your teachers and our administrators and principals and your parents. So when you're taking the test, I'd like you to consider that. The better you do, the better our community thrives. And it's important that we be able to proudly demonstrate exactly what you've learned.
I think it's important to take the CSAP test, especially for high school students, because it gives them preparation and insight into the more important tests that determine their college futures, such as the ACT or the SAT.
As you know, it's important to stay focused while you're taking the test and stay on track. And here's how one of the students in Aurora gives advice on what's best while taking the CSAP.
One of the strategies I use when I'm taking the CSAP test is I go throughout the test answering all the easy questions first to conserve my time, and then I go back to the more difficult questions, because if I spend the majority of my time on the difficult questions, I won't be able to fulfill my full potential on the test.
So once again, CSAP results help your school, and your teachers see how well you are doing in reading, writing, and math. For 5th, 8th, and 10th graders in Aurora, the CSAP also checks how well you are doing in science. In order to be at your best, start preparing for the CSAP the night before.
What I do to prepare for the CSAP test is I review all the basic things I've learned throughout the year to refresh my memory on what I might encounter on the test, like math, science, history. And in the morning I eat a light breakfast, whether it's toast and cheese or scrambled eggs or an omelet, just to make myself feel alert while I take this test instead of sluggish or drowsy, and that makes myself do better. Good luck on the CSAP!